Hi, I'm Santino. Previously had a bad hip, arthritis in my joint. We found out about the stem cell therapy here in Thailand through the Vega Clinic, and we decided to go down that path other than a operation, as I'm just a little bit too young for a hip replacement. Had the hip injection, I'd say probably 4 days ago. Probably 24 hours after that, I found I had less pain by about 50%, whereas my pain was around the 9 to 10 always, constantly for about the past 4 months. Maybe 3 days after that, I found that I had a bit more flexibility, and time will tell how the rest goes. And thank you to the Vega Clinic for bringing this to me. And yeah, obviously Dr. North, who does the procedure, sitting right on my right hand side here. Thanks to him as well.
Thank you, Mr. Sonny.
Santino.
Santino. Oh, sorry.